Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your hair color using PicsArt. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PicsArt, and first of all, I'm going to select my photo. For example, I'm going to change the hair color of this photo. I'm just going to select this photo, and then we can go to the Retouch feature. Right here, go to Retouch, and then you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the hair color, and here you will be able to change your hair color. You just need to choose the hair color that you like. For example, I'm gonna go with this one, and we can adjust the intensity and also the saturation. I'm just going to increase both of them like this, and once you're done, you can click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your gallery. Okay guys, and that's how we can change our hair color using PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!